I'm Jessie from the Highlands Center, and this is a fresh air moment. I just wanted to talk briefly about a rock called granite. Granite is everywhere. It's in our yards, it's on the roadside, you see large boulders of it. It's all over the globe. We even find it in our kitchen. Many of us have granite countertops with pieces that look like this. Granite formed far below the Earth's surface. It was magma that cooled below the Earth's surface. Eventually, it makes its way towards the surface, and weathering and erosion take over, and it becomes exposed. Granite is one of those most recognizable rocks. And looking here, you can see, let's pick out some granite. These three, the granite is the ones with these speckles and spots all over it. So if I look at my collection of rocks here, this one, and this one are my granite rocks. These are not. This one may look like granite, but these are bubbles. They're not granite crystals. So looking at this granite, you notice that they all have the characteristic spots. These spots are crystals. The crystals are formed when it cools, and the longer it takes to cool, the bigger the crystals are going to be, because they had more time to form. Also, the crystals are usually in two different categories. There's felsic and mafic. Felsic are the lightly colored minerals, and mafic are the dark minerals that make these crystals. The contrast between the two is what makes the granite gives granite its characteristic look. So most times when you look at granite, they tend to look the same. A simple way to notice that they're not at all the same, there is a lot of variation, is to collect some. Collect at least 3 rocks. Go out into your neighborhood, go on a walk and get some. I got these right here in my own yard on the side of the house, and line them up. And you're going to line them up according to the size of the dots or the crystals. This one has huge crystals to me, so I put it on one end. This one kind of has medium-sized crystals, so I'm going to put that in the middle. And this one's got very tiny, tiny, tiny crystals over here. So this tells me that this granite cooled a lot slower than this one did below the surface of the earth. You could also line them up according to color. Some granites are lighter than others. And if I just on first glance, this one looks darker to me, so it stays on the end. This one is kind of a middle where I start to see some white. And this one has certainly got a lot more white than the other two. So this one has more felsic minerals in it, and this one's got more mafic minerals in it. So I hope this helps you take a closer look at a very common rock around here. This is Jessie from the Highlands Center, and it's been a fresh air moment.